Jharkhand, the BJP is all set to form the government and preparations have in fact begun. The party has appointed 2 observers to oversee the election of the legislative party leader in Jharkhand. The observers will visit Jharkhand today, where the chief minister will be decided. Now, as far as BJP is concerned, after the defeat of former chief minister Arjun Munda in the state polls, there are indications that the state may have its first non-tribal chief minister from the BJP fold. BJP National Vice President Raghubar Das, who has won from Jamshedpur East, is the front-runner to become the next Chief Minister of Jharkhand. The other names doing the rounds are CP Singh, Saryu Rai, Sudarshan Bhagat and Jayant Sinha. Let's go across to Rohit Singh, our correspondent, joining us with all the latest. Now, Rohit, as far as government formation is concerned in the state of Jharkhand, there is no suspense over that. But perhaps the good thing that is about to happen is that, number one, Jharkhand is expected to get a stable government. What is the reaction on the ground? And a follow-up question, BJP, in line with its latest strategy, Rohit, of experimenting with chief ministers by not following the usual trend, it seems that the same experiment will be followed in Jharkhand as well.
Well, absolutely, Sanket. The answer to the first question is that after 14 years, yes, BJP will be forming a government. A stable government will be formed here, which will run for at least 5 years of that will complete its 5 years of tenure. And as far as the second question is concerned, yes, BJP will be moving away from tradition. It is very much likely, because in Jharkhand in the last 14 years there have been 9 chief ministers, and all of them have been tribal, because Jharkhand was created on the premise that this is a tribal state and all chief ministers till date have been tribal leaders. But this time the majority is not that much. Out of 37 MLAs of BJP, only 11 come from the tribal community and the rest are non-tribals, and that is why the chances of Raghubar Das is so bright, because he is a non-tribal leader. And also the elimination of Arjun Munda from the race, that has shifted the scale, that has tilted the scale in his favor. So these are the 2 reasons why Raghubar Das is the favorite and front runner in the race to become the next chief minister, unless and until there is some last change of plan. And those 11 tribal MLAs who are there, who will be attending that crucial meeting at 11 o'clock, if they oppose to the name of Raghubar Das and they want that, and if they demand that a tribal person should become the chief minister, then you have Union Minister Sudarshan Bhagat. The spotlight will then shift onto him, because he is a tribal leader, he is close to RSS, he has been an ABVP worker. So that is when only then you have Sudarshan Bhagat in the race. But as of now, nothing of that sort seems to be happening, and Raghubar Das is the favorite and the front runner to win that race.